about a person. It's not about me. It's not about Senator Bato. It is about a process. It is about a system. It is about a law. And it is about a job. Na, desisyon mo na lang, personally, kung ikaw ang utusan, whether you do it or not. Kasi, maliwanag naman, ito na, naglabasa ng mga desisyon ng mga abogado na talagang overwhelmingly, at saka yung mga otoridad na mismo nagsasabi, legal ang warrant, pwede nyo i-implement yan, at yan ay sa tingin ko, we have to respect the process, let the systems work, because police as law enforcement, hindi po pwedeng mapili ka kung alin ang i-implement mo, alin ang hindi. Because at the end of the day, the job of the police is not to judge the case, but to implement the processes, and in this case, the warrant. So they have to do it, protect the process, let it roll in its natural course, and most especially, protect the institution, because ultimately, it is in the thing that we protect here, at ang foremost consideration na dapat nating maproteksyonan ay ang interes ng bansa.